You know, yesterday morning that oil was right at the add line at the very bottom of the dipstick, where you needed to add probably 2 or 3 liters or 4, you know, 2 to 3 quarts of oil. Today, magically it was full. Didn't add anything, didn't do nothing. Now it's still saying full. So how that happens, I have no idea. Really bizarre. All right, we offloaded and I'm on my way back to Grand Rapids and go get some lunch. There's a little truck stop. It's called the 76th truck stop or 76th diner in Grand Rapids, so I'll go there for my lunch. Kind of like a mom and pop type truck stop. Been there a couple times. Kind of pricey, but you know what, everything's expensive when you eat out on the road, so I'll go grab something, maybe just get I think last time I grabbed a soup and salad or something like that. Maybe I'll do that today, we'll see. Anyway, stay tuned, this ain't over, there's more stuff to come. Talk to you guys in a bit. Bye bye. Alright everybody, wheat is loaded. We're heading down the road. I got 10 skids at about, I think it's 3,200 pounds on our way back to Windsor. Which ain't too bad. So I got about a 3.5 hour ride, which is okay. Ain't gonna complain about that. Been fairly busy today with one going from Windsor to Holland, and then this one picking up in Grand Rapids, going back to Windsor. You know, one question I always get asked, you know, don't you ever miss the long runs, or you'd make more money on the long runs? Yes and no. If you're doing a whole bunch of shorter trips, number one, you're spending less fuel. Number two, you're able to do more in that period of time than doing a super long run. So you go from Windsor to, let's just say Detroit, Michigan to Laredo, Texas, or something like that. Okay, let's say it takes you a day and a half, 2 days to get there. You sit around, you're stuck in we're stuck there, let's just say for 2 days. Well, on that period, the 4 days, I'm busy doing stuff where guys are either driving to finish their trip or they're sitting waiting on a trip. So if you do the shorter trips, and this works exceptionally well for me because the area that I live in, like I mentioned before, there's freight that goes out and there's freight that comes back, which is great. I use that to my advantage where I'm, you know, maybe gone for a night or two, maybe 3 nights, 4 nights, on the rare occasion. I can be back and forth at home every day if I want. But I do like taking like longer trips where you're out for a day or 2 days or 3 days or something daughter's graduated from going on a picnic to transportation. Look at that. Wonder if Teddy's Transportation offers teddy bear picnics too. Hey guys, you like the video? Give me a thumbs up. Share me on all your other social media events or social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you that are subbed and or viewers alike. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now, and be safe.